In today's video, I'm going to teach you Monday.com how to add item cards to items. Item cards are a focused, compact way to see and update the most important details of a single item without scrolling across a wide board. They're perfect for quick check-ins, handoffs, or when you want teammates to review just the essentials. Let's walk through it together from start to finish. First, open Monday.com and sign in to your account. Make sure you have permission to view and edit the board you'll be working on. If you can't make changes, your admin may need to adjust your access. Next, look at the left sidebar and choose the board where your item lives. Click the board name to open it. Pick the specific item you want to enhance with an item card by clicking directly on its name. That opens the items page where you can see its details and different item level views. At the top of the item, look for a small plus icon that lets you add a new view. Click that plus icon to open the list of available views for an item. In the menu, select Item Card. If you see a search bar, typing Item Card will bring it up quickly. Once you choose it, the Item Card view is added to your item and appears as a tab you can return to any time. Now comes the helpful part, editing what appears on the card and updating your fields. The item card is built from the same columns on your board, so you'll see familiar fields like the item's name, status, person, date, tags, and files. Click into any field to make a change. For example, update the status by selecting the appropriate label, assign or reassign a person, adjust the date, or add tags to make your item easier to filter. For files, upload relevant documents or images so everything is attached right where you work. Changes save automatically and update the item across the entire board. You can usually reorder, show, or hide fields on the card to keep only what matters most. Keep it lean. For many teams, a title, a key status, an owner, a due date, and a couple of supporting tags or files make the card fast to scan and act on. If something looks missing, check that the column exists on the board. Item cards reflect the board's columns. That's it. Sign in, open your board, choose your item, add a view with the plus icon, pick item card, and edit the fields you care about. With item cards, you get a clean, action-ready view that makes staying on top of your work simple and consistent.